Valquer Lab's new hair care routine with a biotechnological system consists of 4 steps with a quick and easy application. We spray the product all over the hair until it is damp but not soaked. Then, we leave it on for 10 minutes. Next, we apply step number 2 without rinsing. We distribute it from roots to ends and leave it on for 10 minutes. Then, we rinse it out. The strengthening shampoo not only deeply cleanses the hair but also provides strength and resistance against breakage. We massage the scalp and distribute the product evenly. We rinse it thoroughly with plenty of water. The protective mask shields the hair from external damage and deeply repairs it thanks to its biotechnological active ingredient. We leave it on for 3 minutes and then rinse it out with plenty of water. This hair care routine reconstructs damaged hair, providing protection, strength, and resilience. The result will amaze you.